I am Gunjita Dhawan. I was detected with bilateral breast cancer in the year 2021. I found a small knot in the right side of my breast, just like a pimple, thanks to a relative of mine who had a lump, and she just shared that how almost that lump turned out to be positive. On the next day for my mammography, I was detected with 3 lumps on my right side, 1 on my left breast.
Gunjita is one of my most wonderful patients who had a bilateral mastectomy, which means both sides of her breasts were taken out because of breast cancer. Gunjita lived without her breast for about 2 years before she came to me for reconstruction. So Gunjita could not have immediate reconstruction at the time of surgery because of her, disease process. But then now that she was disease-free after having all the, chemotherapy and all the associated treatments after the surgery, she was now ready for the breast reconstruction. In the Gunjita's case, basically she had both the breasts missing. So we had a great opportunity of equalizing the breast by doing exactly the same procedure. So we used the latissimus dorsi muscle flap from the back with the skin, and we added a silicone gel implant with it to form the breast mount. Now, about 4 months after her surgery, she's back to her normal self. She's much more cheerful than what she ever was. She's living her life fully.
From the bottom of my heart, want to thank Dr. Sunil Chaudhary, Dr. Soumya, Dr. Raghav, Dr. Prateek for being so wonderful through this process of mine and always there standing, holding my hand and available at all times.
Quality of life is extremely important after these breast cancer patients have had their cancer surgery done, their treatments done. They still have a long life to live. So quality of life, I think, is extremely important, and that's exactly what we're trying to give with the help of breast reconstruction. One more thing I want to clarify is that breast reconstruction in no way interferes with the cancer treatment or cancer detection. So in a way, it is actually helpful to bring new blood supply, new tissues to the area where there has been chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and the area of the breast really feels good after reconstruction.